Dad, on my way in, Mom told me to tell you to good night.
Oh, that's good. Welcome home, my son.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm glad that you went to come out, visit us to stay. Me and your mom will live for a moment like this.
I have to do what I have to do to make you guys happy, you know?
That's it.
But what are you watching?
I'm watching the news since there's nothing else to watch nowadays.
You know, there's always something going on the news every day.
That's true.
But Dad, I have something to tell you. I've been thinking, and I think I want to drop out of school and pursue my career in comedy.
Wait, what? Do you know how hard I had to work so you can get a good education?
Yes, I know you work hard, I work hard too, but this is a really good opportunity, and I don't want to let it just go past me, you know?
Yeah, you're going to end up like me with no education. There's really more I know about this.
No, I didn't get a chance to tell her, but I'll tell her later though. But this is a really good opportunity. I really want you to know. I really want to do this.
Okay. You know what? First thing tomorrow, talk to your mother. Let her know about everything. Just tell her everything. Everything.
Son, wake up.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good. The reason I came home late yesterday is because I was talking to Dad. Dad, I realized that I'm going to just go to school and get my degree.
Why do you even want to stop going to school first place? Don't you see how your dad and I were struggling to read and write?
Yeah, I know, but like I had a whole plan. Like I had a contract with a production, and they was going to help me. And I wanted to do something that was going to make me happy, you know?
Well, you can do what makes you happy, but school is first number one thing that we want you to do.
Son!
Yes, you called me? I just finished talking to your son. He told me why he wanna stop going to school because of comedy, but we said that out, so everything is fine now.
Oh, okay. Son, now that you have spoken with your mother, know that I just, didn't want you to miss out on the advantages me and your mom did growing up. So you can continue pursuing your passion and also your education. I don't want you to end up like me, old and uneducated.
Yeah, after talking to my mom this morning and remembering what you said yesterday, I think I could do my career and still pursue comedy too.